Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Shopee's advertising tools to boost your product visibility. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create and manage ads using the platform's interface. To get started, go to the Marketing Center from the sidebar. Here you'll see a variety of tools to help promote your shop. Click on Shopee Ads to begin managing your ad campaigns. This is the Shopee Ads dashboard. From here you can see new ads, top up your ad credit, and monitor key performance metrics like impressions, clicks, and ROAS. The dashboard also provides recommendations and educational resources to help optimize your campaigns. Click on Create New Ads to begin. In this top-up, you'll see three options: Promote My Products, Promote My Shop, or Promote Live. For this tutorial, we'll select Promote My Products. Click on Create. In the Basic Settings section, define your budget and duration. You can set a daily budget or leave it unlimited. I would recommend setting a number. For example, let's just put 10 ringgit for now. And set the duration as well, whether your ad should run continuously or for a specific time frame. Next, select the products you want to promote. Click Manually Select Products, which is already clicked on here, and then Add Product. Choose the item you'd like to advertise from your inventory and click on Confirm. Next, let's set up your bidding method. You can choose GMV Max to let Shopee optimize ad placement automatically, or use Manual to have full control over the keywords as well as the specific bidding price for the type of discovery. In this case, let's choose GMV Max and choose GMV Max Custom ROAS, which prioritizes return on ad spent based on your target. Set your target right here. This ensures your ad spend is optimized to meet your desired returns. For best results, avoid adjusting the ROAS target for the first 14 days after publishing your ad. Now, once everything is set up, all you have to do is click on Publish and you are good to go. After publishing, it's important to keep track of your ads performance. In the All Ads Performance section, you can monitor key metrics like impressions, clicks, and orders. You can use this data to refine your strategy and improve your overall results. And that's about it. That's how you can create and manage ads on Shopee using the platform's advertising tools. Start small, analyze your results, and make adjustments to optimize your campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy selling.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.